Root 3 into root 3 is root 6. So this is equal to 24 plus 16 is 40. 40 times root 6. So the simplified answer is 40 root 6 is the answer. 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. Root 3 plus root 2 to the power of 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 40 into root 6. That's it. Hello dear students, welcome to this session of mathematics class. I am Mr. Niranjan, Faculty Department of Mathematics, Vidhyaashram PU College, the Temple of Excellence. So in my previous class, we have discussed regarding the problems based on the expansion using binomial theorem and some practical applications. Now today in this session also I will take some problems based on practical application as well as the general term or nth term in the expansion of a binomial theorem. Now, let us know regarding what is the general term or nth term in the binomial expansion. The general term of binomial expansion, so in the expansion of x plus a to the power of n, the general term is nothing but tr plus 1 is equal to ncr x to the power of n minus r, a raised to r is the general term or nth term in the expansion of the binomial theorem. ncr x to the power of n minus r and a to the power of r. Now let us take few practical problems, then I will go to the general term or nth term. Now, which is larger, 1.01 to the power of 1 followed by 6 zeros, that means unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs. So, 1.01 to the power of 10 lakhs or 10,000, which is greater. So, let us check which is greater using binomial theorem. Now, simplify this. 1.01 to the power of 1 followed by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros are there. So, this can be written as 1 plus 0.01 to the power of 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10 lakhs. Now, so what is the formula for x plus a to the power of x plus a to the power of n is x raised to n plus nc1 x to the power of n minus 1 into a plus nc2 x to the power of n minus 2 into a square, etc. Now, if we compare with x plus a to the power of n, what is n here? N is 10 lakhs. 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zeros. Then x is equal to, x is 1 and what is a? A is equal to 0.01, substitute here. So, 1 plus 0.01 whole to the power of 10 lakhs is equal to x raised to n, x is 1 to the power of n, 1 to the power of 10 lakhs plus nc1, nc1 is 10 lakhs c1 into x to the power of, what is x? 1 to the power of n minus 1, n minus 1 into a, what is a? 0.01, okay, plus next etc. terms, that let us take, simplify, this much is enough. So, 1 to the power of any number is 1 plus, now this is 10 lakh c1 is nothing but, so 10 lakh itself, 1 followed by 6 zeros because nc1 is equal to n. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 into, what is this equal to? So, 1 to the power of any number is equal to 1 into 1 into 0.01 plus higher terms. So, this is 1 plus, if you multiply this 10 lakhs into 1 into 0.01, what you are going to get? So, you will get this as 10,000. 10,000 plus etc. So, what do you say from this? 10,000 plus 1 is 10,000, 1 plus etc. Definitely we can say that this is greater than 10,000. That means 1.01 to the power of 10 lakhs is greater than 10,000. So, this is greater than, so this is greater than 10,000. That's it, okay. So, therefore, what is the conclusion? Therefore, 1.01 to the power of 10 lakhs, 1 followed by 6 zeros, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is greater than 10,000, 10 followed by 3 zeros. So, first 1.01 is greater than the second part. That's it. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Find a plus b to the power of 4 minus a minus b to the power of 4. Hence, evaluate root 3 plus root 2 to the power of 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 to the power of 4. Now, first simplify a plus b to the power of 4. A plus b to the power of 4 can also be written as, so this is same, x raised to n, x raised to n is a raised to n plus 4c1, a to the power of n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 into b plus 4c2, a to the power of 2 into b square plus 4c3, a to the power of 1 into b cube plus 4c4, a to the power of 0 into b to the power of 4. So, therefore, we can write a plus b to the power of 4 is equal to a raised to 4, 4c1 is 4, a cube into b, 4c2. What is 4c2? 4c2 is nothing but 4 itself, 4 a square b square plus 4c3 is also equal to 4a b cube, 4c4 is 1 into a raised to 0 is 1 into b to the power of 4. So, similarly, a minus b to the power of 4 is a raised to 4 minus 4a cube b plus minus plus 4a square b square minus 4a b cube plus b to the power of 4. Alternative positive negative you will get plus minus plus minus plus. Now just subtract these two. If you subtract, what you will get? Subtract. So a plus b to the power of 4 minus a minus b to the power of 4. So if you subtract, this signs becomes minus plus minus plus and minus. Cancel the terms. Plus a raised to 4 minus a raised to 4 gets cancelled. Minus plus plus is 4 plus 4 is 8 a cube b. Again minus 4a square plus 4a square gets cancelled. 4 plus 4 is 8 a b cube minus b raised to 4 plus b raised to 4 gets cancelled. Now substitute the value. Put a is equal to root 3 and b is equal to root 2. So you will get root 3 plus root 2 to the power of 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 to the power of 4. That is what we want. Root 3 plus root 2 to the power of 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 8 into what is a? A is root 3 whole cube into b is root 2 plus 8 into a is root 3 into b. What is b? B is equal to root 2 whole cube. Simplify this. That's all. What is this equal to? 8 into root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27 into root 2 plus 8 root 3 into, yes, this is 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 square of 8. What is this equal to? So this can be written as 8 into, so 27 can be written as 9 3s are 27, square of 9 is 3, 3 root 3, 3 root 3 into root 2 plus 8 root 3 into, this 8 can be written as 4 into 2, square of 4 is 2 root 2. So what is this equal to? This can be written as 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 8 2s are 16 and 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2, 3 root 2 is root 3 into root 3 is root 6. So this is equal to 24 plus 16 is 40, 40 times root 6. So the simplified answer is 40 root 6 is the answer. That's it. Okay. Conclude it. So therefore the simplified answer root 3 plus root 2 to the power of 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 40 into root 6. That's it. Hope you followed. Very important problem for 5 marks. Now move on to the next problem. So what is the problem given? Show that 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. Just find out whether it will have a factor 64 or not. That's it. Whenever n is a positive integer. Okay. So we know the formula for, we know that 1 plus x to the power of n plus 1 can be written as n plus 1 c naught plus n plus 1 c1 into x. Okay. Next term n plus 1 c2 x square plus etc. So 1 plus x to the power of n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 c0 plus n plus 1 c1 x to the x plus n plus 1 c2 x to the power of 2 etc. Right. Now let us split this 9 to the power of n plus 1. 9 to the power of n plus 1 can also be written as 8 plus 1 to the power of n plus 1. That is of the form 1 plus x to the power of n plus 1. What is this equal to? So this is nothing but n plus 1 c0 plus n plus 1 c1 into x. What is x here? X is equal to 8 plus next term n plus 1 c2 x square 8 square plus etc. So this can be written as, since n c0 is equal to 1, n plus 1 c0 is 1 plus n c1 is equal to n. So n plus 1 c1 is n plus 1 into 8 plus next term n plus 1 c2 into 8 square. So that is nothing but 8 square is 64 into n plus 1 c2 plus etc. terms. Okay. Now this can be written as, this is equal to 1 plus multiplied 8n plus 8 plus 64 into n plus 1 c2 plus terms. Now this can be written as here 9 to the power of n plus 1. 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 1 minus 8n minus 8 is equal to 64 into an integer. Okay. Now what is this equal to? That means 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9n is equal to 64 times an integer means, what is the meaning? 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. That's it. See, 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. So therefore conclude this, 9 to the power of n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. That's it. Very simple problem. Just simplify 9n plus 1 as 8 plus 1 to the power of n plus 1. Apply the formula. You will get the answer. That's it. Hope you followed. Okay. Now move on to the next problem. Prove that summation sigma r is equal to 0 to n 3 to the power of r NCr is equal to 4 to the power of n. Very simple and important problem. Summation, what is given? Already it is given. Sigma r is equal to 0 to n 3 to the power of r NCr. Just take the value of r as 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now this can be written as, write down this LHS sigma r is equal to 0 to n 3 to the power of r NCr. Now put r is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 etc. So just take sigma out, put r is equal to, so this can be written as 3 to the power of 0 into n c naught plus next term 3 power 1 n c 1 plus 3 square n c 2 plus etc. Now this can be written as, first write n c naught 3 power 0 plus n c 1 3 to the power of 1 plus n c 2 3 square plus etc. What is the last term you are going to get? The last term is n c n 3 to the power of n. So 0, 1, 2 etc. n c naught, n c 1, n c 2 etc. n c n. If I observe carefully, this is of the form x plus a to the power of n. X is equal to 3 and a is equal to 1 to the power of n. This is nothing but 4 to the power of n. That's it. Okay. Let me write. Now if you observe this carefully, this nc naught 3 to the power of 0 plus nc1 3 power 1 plus nc2 3 square etc. ncn 3 to the power of n is of the form 1 plus 3 to the power of n. Right. 1 plus 3 to the power of n. So what is 1 plus 3? That is nothing but 4 to the power of n. So this is equal to 4 to the power of n. That is which is required RHS. That's it. So the given answer is 4 to the power of n, which is the required RHS. That's it. Now move on to the next problem. Find the fourth term in the expansion. Now general terms. Let us take problems on general terms. Find the fourth term in the expansion of x minus 2y whole to the power of 12. Now just comparing with x plus a to the power of n. What is n? N is equal to 12, x is equal to x, and a is equal to minus 2y. What is the general term? Tr plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r a raised to r. So Tr plus 1 is equal to, what is to find is the rth term. What is to find? T4 is the question. So for that put, see, r plus 1 is equal to 4 means r is equal to 4 minus 1 means 3. So that is T3 plus 1 is T4 is equal to n. N is 12, C, R is 3, 12 C3, x. What is x we have? X is equal to x to the power of 12 minus R. What is R? 3 into A. What is A? Minus 2y to the power of R. R is equal to 3. So this T4 is equal to 12 C3, x to the power of 12 minus 3 is 9, and this is minus 2 whole cube into y cube. Simplify this. Now this 12c, yes, this is nothing but 12c cube. What is the value of 12c cube? The value of 12c3 is equal to 12 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 12 minus 3 is 9 factorial. So this is 12 into 11 into 10 divided by 9 factorial gets cancelled. 3 into 2 into 1. Simplify this. So 3 2s are, yes, 3 to 6, 6 2s are 12. So this is 2 into 11 into 10 is 110. 110 into 2 is 220. Now this is equal to 220 into x to the power of 9 into this is minus 8 y cube. So therefore the fourth term T4 is equal to 220 into minus 8 is minus 1760 x to the power of 9 into y cube. That's it. So the fourth term in the expansion of x minus 2y to the power of 12 is minus 1760 x to the power of 9 into y cube. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Okay. Now move on to your next problem. Find the 13th term in the expansion of 9x minus 1 by 3 root x to the power of 18. Same. Compare this. So what is n? N is equal to 18. X is equal to 9x. A is equal to minus 1 over 3 times root x. Okay. What is to find? 13th term. So T13 is the question mark. So r plus 1 is equal to 13 means r is equal to 13 minus 1, that is 12. Now put r is equal to 12. Tr plus 1 is equal to T12 plus 1. What is the formula? NCR. What is NCR? X to the power of n minus r a raised to r. Now T13 is equal to, what is n? N is 18. C, r. What is r? R is equal to 12. R is 12. X. What is x? 9x to the power of n. What is n we have? N is equal to 18 minus r is 12 into a minus 1 over 3 into root x to the power of r is 12. Simplify this. So this is 18 c 12, 9x to the power of 12, 18 minus 12 is 6. This is minus 1 to the power of 12 divided by 3 times root x to the power of 12. So if you simplify, you will get the answer. That's it. Okay. So this 3x, 3 root x to the power of 12 can be written as 3 to the power of 12 into x to the power of 12 by 2. That is 3 to the power of 12 into x power 6. So this can be written as 18c12, 9 to the power of 6, x to the power of 6, minus 1 to the power of 12 is 1, 1 divided by 3 to the power of 12 into x to the power of 6. Now cancel the terms which gets cancelled. So this is equal to this 3 to the power of 12 can also be written as 3 square whole to the power of 6 into x power 6. What is 3 square? 9, right? So 9, 3, yes, 3, yes. This is nothing but 9 to the power of 6 x power 6 here. 3 square is 9. What is 3 to the power of 2 into 6? That is 12, law of indices. So therefore, this can be written as 18C12 into 9 to the power of 6 x to the power of 6 into 1 divided by 9 to the power of 6 into x power 6. So these two gets cancelled. Therefore, the required answer, that is the 13th term, T13 is equal to only 18C12. So the 13th term is 18C12 is the required answer. That's it. This is how we are going to solve this problem. Hope you followed. Okay. Now, the next problem is write the general term in the expansion of x square minus y whole to the power of 6. Now, comparing this with x plus a to the power of n. What is n? N is 6. X is equal to x square. A is equal to minus y. What is the formula? TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x to the power of n minus r a raised to r. So, TR plus 1 is equal to n 6CR x. What is x? X is nothing but x square whole to the power of n is 6 minus r into a is minus y power r. So, therefore, TR plus 1 is equal to 6CR x to the power of 60s are 12 minus 2r into minus y to the power of r is the general term in the expansion of x square minus y whole to the power of 6. Okay. Now, second one. Similarly, write the general term in the expansion of x square minus yx to the power of 12. Now, same. What is n here? N is equal to 12. X is equal to x square. A is equal to minus yx. So, the general term TR plus 1 is equal to NCR x raised to n minus r a raised to r. TR plus 1 is equal to n. What is n? 12CR x. X square whole to the power of 12 minus r a minus y x to the power of r. So, this is 12CR x to the power of 12 2s are 24 minus 2r minus y to the power of r into x to the power of r. So, if you want, you can stop here itself, or you can also equate the terms containing x to the power of 24 minus 2r into x to the power of r. Now, this can also be written as, therefore, TR plus 1 is equal to 12CR. So, just minus y to the power of r into x to the power of, simplify this, x to the power of 24 minus 2r plus r, x to the power of 24 minus r, x to the power of 25 minus r. So, this is the general term. So, 12CR minus y to the power of r, x to the power of 24 minus r is the required answer. Hope you followed. Okay. So, otherwise, if you want, you can also write like this. So, this is minus 1 to the power of r into 12CR, then x to the power of 24 minus r into y to the power of, this is also an answer. You can take minus out. That's it. So, this is how we are going to solve the problem. So, this is how we are going to find the nth term or a general term in the expansion of the given binomial expansion. Okay. Hope you followed. This is very important for the point of examination. So, that's all regarding today's session. Let us meet with a different concept in the next session. Thank you. Thank you very much.